Welcome to our review of the Logitech G413 mechanical gaming keyboard. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the features and performance of this keyboard and help you decide if it's the right choice for your gaming setup. First off, the Logitech G413 is a full-sized mechanical gaming keyboard that features Romer G mechanical switches. These switches offer a tactile and responsive feel, making them ideal for gaming and typing. And with its full-size layout and dedicated media controls, this keyboard is easy to use and versatile. One standout feature of the G413 is its design. With its brushed aluminum top plate and slim profile, this keyboard looks great on any desk. And with its red backlighting, it adds a touch of style to your gaming setup. The keys themselves are also backlit, making it easy to use in low-light conditions. Another great feature of the G413 is its performance. With its Romer G switches, this keyboard is responsive and accurate, making it a great choice for gamers who demand precision and speed. And with its anti-ghosting technology, you can press multiple keys at once without any input lag. The G413 also comes with a range of extra features that make it even more useful for gamers. For example, it includes a USB pass-through port that allows you to connect other devices to your keyboard. It also comes with a set of extra keycaps for gaming, including textured keycaps for the WASD keys. Of course, one of the biggest advantages of the G413 is its price. While it's not the cheapest gaming keyboard on the market, it's significantly more affordable than many other mechanical keyboards, making it a great choice for budget-conscious gamers. Overall, we highly recommend the Logitech G413 mechanical gaming keyboard for anyone who wants a high-performance keyboard that looks great and offers plenty of features. With its responsive switches, stylish design, and extra features, this keyboard is a great choice for gamers of all skill levels. So if you're in the market for a new gaming keyboard, be sure to give the Logitech G413 a closer look.